What's going on, guys? Today's video is sponsored by Cove and their active noise canceling headphones. There's Laz. Sometimes they gotta yell at me. Laz!
Huh?
I've seen you around with those things a whole bunch. You can listen to your music while dampening sound, so that's definitely an awesome perk with those. And we use those things, well...
I use them out here when you're on the dyno all the time.
Yeah, I actually see you hunting for them sometimes.
I'm getting old.
These Cove headphones are incredibly comfortable. I mean, you can travel with them. They fold down really nice and neat, and they come with a nice little travel bag as well.
They don't weigh anything when you have them on. They're super soft and comfortable.
You know, we've gotten a tremendous amount of life out of them, too, on a single charge. Like, they say up to 12 hours, and I think we've probably even exceeded that, and they say 200 hours on standby.
I don't have any problems with distance either. I can leave my phone over there and be on the other side of the shop, and they're doing good.
They claim 33 feet, and I know we've gone double that without any sort of connection issue. Now, not only are these just a headphone, they have a built-in microphone. We can use those things for just a quick phone call while we're on our Bluetooth. It is awesome. Those are supported by Bluetooth 4.1 as well. Me personally, I know that I'm going to be gifting probably at least 3 of these this year. It's definitely something that you guys should consider because that is one heck of an awesome gift. If you use our coupon code 69%, you can get 69% off of this from the retail cost. It's a pretty banging deal. And we've had so many people come back and say, hey, we're so glad that we got the Cove products from you guys. Honestly, we really do love them. We're not just saying it.
Yeah, I got a pair for home too.
Get them while you can. These things will sell out. Get your Cove active noise canceling headphones before it's too late. Check that link in the description. Let's get on with the video. Because this has a special
very special motor. Junkyard motor, he pressure washed it. Took it apart, completely rusted. Completely rusted. Like there's chunks rusted into the cylinder wall. So I like dingleberried her out a little bit. Took a couple motors apart, got some bearings out of here, some bolts out of here, and slapped it together. Took the crank to the machine shop, he's like, dude, throw it away. Took the block, he's like, not gonna happen. I was like, I'll show you. I went home, so I had Squirrel give me a hand. He put it together, look at her now. It definitely just blew up. All right.
What are you doing, George?
Should I put it in manual mode or just? Yeah, I probably should, huh?
Yeah, you don't want it shifting on you.
Crack this baby open. All the way.
How'd it feel?
Pretty good.
Pegged in the forehead with a rock.
Dude! How does it feel so far?
I'm going to do like this at the burnout contest. Feels pretty good.
Yeah. Hey, let's go for a rip.
This needs a better trans, like manual valve body.
Yeah. Agreed. Take that down to first gear and shift her like 6,500.
Yeah, I can't believe that happened, huh? I figured, like in the silver truck, it'll wait until it's where it needs to be.
It's a little smarter trans.
What the heck? No, you're not getting off that easy. Just gonna have to floor it.
Seems like it's in second. Yeah, she definitely likes to squeeze.
Yeah, it definitely was in like second gear. Do a little transmission test. Oh, it is getting pretty hot. Transmission.
Trans, yeah.
I don't even know how much fluid's in there. Should be about
Judging by
enough.
the way that it surged like that, I'm gonna be like. There we go. Dang.
Not too shabby. Not too shabby.
Not too bad at all, brother.
Good for burnouts.
Yeah, that actually moves really good.
Yeah, I need to start daily in this girl. I mean, boy. Oh, there's my exhaust freaking. Yeah, that was stopping my exhaust leaks. So tape. Where it's hitting the ground,
All those people going home on Friday afternoon, I wonder what they're thinking, all that smoke crossing Ulmerton right over there.
Oh, there they go. They were just unplugged a little bit.
This one's still off. It's Friday afternoon stress reliever right here,
Oh,
buddy.
yeah, I needed this. Matter of fact, I need this too. Dusty. I love that green button, buddy.
Is that a Freedom Cloud? Hey, do you want to cool it down?
Pretty hot. 60.
Why are you running back and forth?
I don't think I can cool it down. Give her a minute. She's up
Hey, kid on.
She's up there about 260, 270.
Real? Yeah, she's puking.
Well, take the cap off. Let the pressure out.
Yeah.
Oh. Should I start it? Should I start it?
Dude, look at it.
Should I start it? Should I start it?
Yeah, back up. Back up. Oh, no. She's a little hot.
You'll have that on them big jobs.
All right, so we're gonna have to let this thing cool down. Dude.
250 feet.
Good job. That's like 100 yards,
Rodney,
man.
dude.
Good job. Nice. That's, dude, I'm glad we got everything together, man. This is sick. Killer burnout all the way across Ulmerton Road.
Yeah, that nitrous, dude. That nitrous is worth. Nitrous outlet. Oh, I got the shirt on too. Yeah, baby. Look at that. Nitrous outlet.
Yeah. Got Rodney all fired back up. Left a little mess, but we're all right. Good to go.
All right, back again.
All right, dude, you guys have been freaking busy doing this thing, man.
Got some knocked out on it.
Well,
Good start for the evening.
now this is a bit different than what we would normally do because, well, triggers are different. We've never installed any of this on a diesel or anything like that. So we got our 2-stage controller, and that's going to be awesome. I think what our strategy is here, and this is really to try and run the Galaxy. We still want to just stop the Galaxy. So I think we're going to set up on a purge button our 2nd stage so we can kind of manually override and be able to bump the turbo, be able to build some extra boost, launch on boost real hard. That'll give us the 60 foot that we need. So if we can 60 foot as good as the Galaxy, I think we can top end better. Looking good, man. All cleaned up.
Look at that.
This is definitely going to be so much fun. If any of you guys have nitrous on your daily, please chime in and just let us know that you're there. I'm definitely, that's a small crowd, actually.
I think you need more than one bottle.
All right, so far with this thing, I've gotten so much longevity out of this, it makes me think I should spray more because I've been spraying it for, what, a week and a half, maybe? No, maybe 2 weeks now, actually. And it's only down like 2 inches. So it's like it's down to here out of a 10-gallon tank. So I think I definitely need to spray more. And that was towing, that was going down to Cletus and cars and back, and it definitely used it up on the bridge, going up on the Skyway. it was needing it too, so. I'm definitely pumped. I'm really enjoying the weather and the fact that this thing is, the methanol is like cheating the weather. So that and the nitrous is really gonna make such a big difference, but gotta go after that Galaxy. But for right now, let's finish up your truck. Dude, nitrous outlet looking good, man.
A lot of nitrous outlet stuff going on lately.
Yeah, the other day at the track, we were all three wearing our nitrous outlet, sweaters. That was pretty.
It's like a bad habit. You get addicted to it.
Yeah. I've been a nitrous junkie before, and Garrett recently accused me of being a meth head, but
There's a lot of meth going on here too.
there's meth too. All right, so we have our pre and our post meth. So we got our cooling going into the turbo, going through, cooling through here, and then we've got our bigger jet here. So we got a 5-gallon-per-hour jet there and a 15-gallon-per-hour jet there. And then we're gonna do the same thing with the nitrous. We're gonna have a little bump that we got right there, and then we're gonna have this guy right here as the biggins.
Well,
that one's kind of like a,
right now they're both big because there's no jets.
oh shoot, yeah, we don't want to do that yet. All right, so look, let's go through the schematic real quick here, and let's run through what we were talking about here. So here, take us through here, because I'm a little rusty on my schematics, but I know what we want to do.
The plans have changed a little bit. I went ahead and pre-wired it up as the instructions say, bringing the wires out here for the relays. And then Jeremy started talking about wanting, what did you call it, a bump in?
Well,
or...
okay, so if I'm going to be drag racing this thing, really the biggest benefit is, yes, I want top end, but I also need to be able to launch harder. So really being able to get the turbo to boost early, I want to be able to hit it right out of the gate. So in doing so, what I want to do is I want to take my purge and then use it as almost like a scramble, like on a turbo setup. If like I can bump it to gain boost, and then if I happen to start losing, I just get back on it for the extra. So we have to wire it up a little differently.
Turbo stuff.
Boost world in general. So
okay. First relay is factory. Second relay, we'll put on a button in there so you have it. And then I guess we could use a second controller and put a third relay or a third solenoid.
Oh yeah, no, we're good.
Oh,
We're
okay.
good.
Tried.
2, but so we're gonna break our power going to our second relay right
Our
there.
ground signal.
Okay, so we're not taking power, we're taking a ground, and we're going to use that. That'll be basically on the fly. I can spool up the turbo, and if I start to happen to lose a race, it might be another 50 shot, another 75 shot, whatever it is, just to get that extra little
Scramble.
Yeah, it's like a scramble. I think that's the best solution all the way around. And the fact that we're going to have a nice, steady shot that's going to be there for when I need it, and then have the extra whenever it's ready.
One thing that Adam told us about, and we've had some issues with this truck before, is wires rubbing and the motor shaking a lot. And I was kind of concerned about running all these braided lines next to the harnesses, so I gotta go back and loom all that to keep it so it doesn't have any chafing on the harnesses.
Yeah, it is definitely a concern.
Yeah, like this is like raw wires there. You definitely got to get that off of there.
And he was saying, hey, that's how fires start, and he said he's had a number of people that have had that type of issue. And I have addressed a little bit of it, but I mean, every time we start to mess around with stuff, it becomes, you know, more and more, it's more brittle, and we're losing loom that was already there. So
if there's a real bad spot, you can split some hose and run over it too, instead of loom, if you think it's going to be a bad area.
Okay. Well, that'll do, man. Can't wait to get this thing up and running. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode so much. I just was re-editing, going through some stuff, and it just cracks me up. I have so much fun doing this. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as we enjoy bringing it to you guys. So it is such an awesome position. I mean, the words of encouragement that you guys offer us definitely brings us up and makes us want to do it even more. So thank you guys so very much. You guys are awesome, awesome fans. Really, really, really appreciate you guys' support. Guys, I had a major setback with the Duramax. I'll have to clean in a little bit on that. We really wanted to get the Nitrous all completely done, and unfortunately we had to do something else. Again, I'll elaborate a little bit more on that. We got a bunch of stuff going on with the Crown Vic. The Crown Vic is up and running. You guys can hear it in the background right there, and we'll have to show you guys all that stuff in very next upcoming episode. So it has been really, really hard for me to crank out these episodes as fast as I possibly can. But again, you guys make that possible through all of your support, and we're definitely working on less public stuff, and we're doing so much more, you know, just of our stuff and cranking some stuff out. So it's I'm just super pumped. So I'm gonna leave you here with a quote: "Those who sow with tears will reap with songs of joy." And I certainly hope that's going to be the case with my Duramax, because I'm a little sore right now here. Guys, also a song I wanted to leave with you is from the late great Johnny Cash, but it's done by Social Distortion. Hope you guys dig it. Freaking love Social D. God bless you guys. See you next episode.